Another way of estimating the cost of ordinary shares is based on the risk of the shares and uses a formula called the capital asset pricing model. We will discuss the CAPM in much more detail in a later topic on portfolio theory. But for now, as long as we know the formula, we can use it as a method of estimating the cost of ordinary shares. The CAPM is based on the idea that the expected return from an investment is a function of two things: the risk-free rate of return, which is the minimum that you need to make an investment, plus a risk premium. If the investment carries risk, then you expect extra return, which we call a risk premium, for bearing risk. This is the formula for the capital asset pricing model. One component of the expected return is the risk-free rate. This is usually based on the yield for long-term government bonds, such as 10-year bonds. To the risk-free rate, we need to add a risk premium, and to do so, we need to measure the amount of risk. This is one way to measure risk. This term is called beta. And once again, we will go into this in much more detail in a later topic. The term in brackets is called the market risk premium. This means the extra return, or the risk premium, that we get for a beta of 1. If we multiply the market risk premium by the beta, then we get the total amount of the risk premium. The first term in brackets is the expected return on the market. So we take the expected return on the market, subtract the risk-free rate, we get the market risk premium, multiply this by beta, the measure of risk, and we get the total risk premium, and then we add that to the risk-free rate to get the total expected return, or in this case the cost of ordinary shares.